Hi besties, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite girl Munnoh. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this beautiful Zara cap with the twisted design. If you're interested in seeing how I did this, please keep watching. For this video not to be too long, I have already skipped all the unnecessary parts like making my Zara cap. Please check my previous videos on the channel and you will see how I make the perfect Zara cap. Okay, so I have skipped this part because I've done this video before. So we'll move on to making the frame. Also gone ahead to cut out all the pieces that I will need. For that part, I'm going to be needing 2 strips of fabric. The measurement for this strip is 35 inches in length and 5 inches in width. And I also cut out my foam to be 2 inches by 35 inches. So I am going to fold this right sides facing together and I'm going to sew it. I will fold this right sides facing together, then I will sew it all the way down. After sewing it, I'm going to turn it through. I will do the same thing for the 2 of them. Fold it together, sew it all the way down like this. I will sew it and then come back and show you. This is what it looks like after sewing. So I'm going to turn it over to the right side now. Go ahead and repeat the same thing for the second one. After turning it through, make sure that the line is at the center. Do not put it by the side. The next thing I'll do is to pass the foam into the loops that I just created. The foam through the loops. I'm going to cut out . Moving on to the next design, I'm going to be making the design, the flower design that is going to be at the back. So I'm going to use this fabric. Okay, this piece of fabric measures 50 inches in length, 50 inches. Okay, so it's 50 inches by 6.5 inches, and I'm using a 3 inches crinoline, okay, to make this part. I'm using a 3 inches crinoline, alright? So I'm going to insert the crinoline in the middle. So this is what I'm going to do. Put this in the middle and close the fabric up. You can use a pin if that helps you. So I'm going to feed this into the fabric from beginning to the end. Then I'm going to take it to my sewing machine and then stitch it right on top of the crinoline, not by the edge. I will stitch right on top of the crinoline so that it holds the crinoline down. So I'm going to do that from beginning to the end. Okay, so the measurement of the crinoline is the same thing as the fabric. So I have 50 inches crinoline, but the width is 3 inches and 50 inches fabric by 6.5 inches. I'm going to sew that and then come back and show you. This is it after sewing. I'm going to trim off all the excess before I go on to make my running stitches. Here I'm making my running stitches and using it to gather the fabric. So this is what it looks like. Then go ahead and pull your thread to form gathers. So I pull everything together to form gathers. After pulling everything everything together. Go ahead and arrange it to form your rose, your flower, whatever you want to make with it. Just go ahead and arrange it. So make sure that all these fraying edges are tucked away, that they are not visible on the outside. So for my twist, I'm going to pin these two edges together. Then I'm going to use this, my mannequin, to make it tight. You're just wrapping it around each other, like this. Around each other like this. So I just go ahead and wrap it around each other like this. When I get to this point, I'll pin it. After making my twist, I'm going to get my Zara card because I need to attach it to my Zara card. Okay, so I'm going to place it on my Zara card like so, like this, because I'm going to stitch it. Then I'll pin it down. I might have to trim off the excess later on, okay, but I'll pin it down like this. Then place it around the Zara cap. So pin it down like this. So I'll pin it down. These are the excess, so I'll need to trim them. I'll trim off this excess. Trim this up. I'll take it to my sewing machine and then stitch it here. I'll stitch it on the Zara cap. If you want to make this detachable, then you don't need to trim out that excess that I trimmed off. Okay, you just use that excess to join the braided parts together without pinning it to the cap. You join it together on its own and then attach the flower to it. But because this is not a detachable, I'm not making this a detachable, that is why I had to pin it to the cap and then trim off the excess. I hope you understand that. I'm going to take it to my sewing machine right now and then sew it on top of the Zara cap. So this is what it looks like after sewing. So I'm going to attach this flower that we made earlier. I'm going to attach it to this point like this. I'm going to sew it, I'm not gluing. I'll sew it and make sure it covers all the rough, all the foam, the roughness and everything. Make sure you sew neatly.
Mark chapter 8 verse 36 says, "What shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and lose his own soul?" Jesus is interested in everything you do. He's interested in your business and he's interested in your success. Give him a chance today.